All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today let's talk about an audio solution for your Quest 3S. If you could be so kind to hit that like button right there, it really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. All right, StarTech came out with this audio solution. This thing right here. It's a USB-C that has power that can go to your headset and an audio jack, 3.5 audio jack on this side. Since the Quest 3 does not have an audio jack, this one right here is zero latency solution. And the best thing about it, it costs $12. Now, I went out to get a Quest 3S. I have a Quest 3S now, not on my radar to buy. I had my questionable doubts about it, but I am gonna do a full review. Watch out for that video. Might shock you what I gotta say. So I got it to test this out because I'm like, $12? They gotta hear about it. I found this out by Eagle Doc Stew. One of the subscribers told me about it. I was like, $12? Let me check it out. Ordered it from Amazon, came in the mail, and I tested out, and you know what? Zero latency. This thing has no latency You can use your headphones now because for whatever reason, Meta took out the headphone jack. Why would you do that? I don't know. If they take out the headphone jack and had a zero latency Bluetooth option like the Apple Vision Pro does, then I understand. But to leave no option and just take it out and have you use headphones that has all kinds of latency, who wants that? But now we have an option. $12. Now you know when you're playing something like Beat Saber, you have to be right on point. So of course I tried it out with Beat Saber. The first one I went in and it was great. And the audio sounds really good. Loud, punchy. It was great. Then I was like, okay, let's try another game. I threw on this other game called Gazers, which is a funny shooter game, but you gotta know if it works with shooters. Threw it in, I put on Gazers, and it worked. It just worked. The shots was on point, no latency as I shot the gun, as the sound came out, as everything going around me, everything sounded like it should be. And it was all because of a $12 unit that you can buy on Amazon right now. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for it. This is not a referral link, anything like that. It's just a way for you to go get it. I just wanted to bring it out and tell you that this thing works. This $12 unit, $12. Add it to your collection and that's all you have to do. I know there's other things out there, but those things are expensive. You know, Bluetooth headphones that cost more than that, or they got a head strap that comes with one. No need for none of that now. All you need is this, $12. Grab it from Amazon and you be on your way. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.